Hey Joe, today on my Jeep Patriot, we got to fix this stupid seat piece here. Somehow they just have it on a clip and my foot caught it and broke the clip, so now it just wants to flip-flop around. And yeah, give me a second, we're gonna unbox a new part, tell you where I got it from, and yeah, see y'all in a second. Alright Joe, here goes the part, ordered from Quick. Yeah, is it Quick or Quirk? Thought it was quickautoparts.com. Nope, quirkparts.com. Okay, off of eBay. Anyway, quirkparts.com. And here it is. We're going to open this up. We're going to show you why this thing breaks. Try not to break it getting it out of. I didn't order any gloves. Cool. We can get some gloves, y'all. I like that. That is. The only thing I did to help the video was cut the tape on the thing. And they sent a pair of mechanics gloves. Well, I don't know what they are. Not really mechanics gloves, I don't think. Probably not going to fit my big old gorilla. Yeah. Yeah. Darn it. They fit. Yeah. There you go. Boxing. Bow, bow, bow. Yes, sir. Alright. That's cool. Quirkparts.com. Sent some gloves with my purchase. That's nice. Anyway. Alright. And comes with a new thing. New little cover piece. And a clip. So we need to get those off the back side. And here is why this breaks all the time. That's all that's holding that piece on the front is this silly little tab here. And it's very easy to snap it out of place with your foot. So, alright, and then we got a new clip that's gonna get. Let's go ahead and get this clip out of here. Ow. It bit me. I'm not sure where that little clip's supposed to go. Oh, I think I see where it goes. Anyway. So we're going to take our clip, new clip, just slide it onto there. And then this is a round clip, so I'm assuming that it's supposed to go into there, like so. Alright. Alright, now let's get back in the car and take a look at what we got to do here. Hang on. Alright guys, now we're back here at the seat. So, I think all we got to do to this almost looks like a screw cover, but it's not. So just get yourself in there really good on this and give it a good turn and a wiggle and a really firm pull out. Now, it does have one of these like window crank clips that I thought I was going to have to get in there and dig out. But didn't have to. It just, it had it held in there with a really good grip. But didn't have to dig the clip out, which is really good. That's a good thing. Now this piece here by the seat belt, give it a kind of just a good firm, darn it, straight up that way. Pull, that will come right out. And now we should just be able to, of course not. So, looks like I'm going to have to go grab a T50 for the daggum seatbelt bolt. So, y'all give me 1 second because I didn't bring any tools with me. I didn't think I was really going to need anything. So, chill out. Hang on. Alright, Joe. Now we went. Yep. Go T50. Where the hell's the camera? There we go. Anyway, I can take my word for it. Most all seatbelt bolts in just about every car is a T50. Not sure why that is a standard for seat belts, but anyway. Alright, so let's get the seatbelt undone. There we go. Let that go in the back. Set that up there. And now we can get this off. Oh yeah, my clips are all busted all the heck. Whew. Look at that. Thing just trashed. Damn. Alright y'all, one other thing we gotta get to on taking this old piece off is underneath here where it got broke as well is a Phillips head screw. Oop. See. Yeah, that ain't gonna work out too good for me trying to hold this camera and get that screw out, but anyway. Alright, let me get the screw out and we'll get a new piece on. Alright, now that we got the all the pieces of the old piece off, we can get into putting our new piece on. Finally. Yay. Anywho, so here we go. We're going to start with the front. We're going to get these pieces here hooked into here and here. I'm going to start at the not sure which way I'm going to start here. I'll let y'all know. Okay, I'm going to start at the front and give it a pull and tilt down. Yep. It's pretty tight in there. So we got there we go. And now this clip in the side, you're just going to have to feel for where the hole, and we're just going to clip in. And we can give a little push back a little bit. Now we got this other little round clip back here. So we're just going to have to get a feel for where it lines up at. Doing the same thing. I can't get the camera in there, but you can feel with your finger and the tab that's sticking up where it's at. And just give it a push. You'll hear it and feel it get in there. I'm not sure what's up with this other piece on the inside of the seat, but yep. There we go. Let's go ahead and that's it for that. And let's not forget that Phillips head screw. But we're going to go ahead and, since we're down here sitting on the ground, and get the seat belt bolt back in. And those of y'all that may want to freak out, you know, if you're over safety conscious or something, just about torquing these seat belt bolts down, you don't have to be, just because it's in there like 1.5 inches, and that bolt's not going to break. So, and that's it. And it has to have a little wiggle room, so that way the seat belt moves. And this is also a handy thing to know in case somehow your seat belt gets twisted. That's the only way to untwist your seat belt. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see, we finally got it to get back in there. I was just fighting with it too hard, it just slid in up. And of course we got the snap wire thing back on there. And I'm going to get in there and put that Phillips head screw back underneath there, which I can't get in there with the camera and all that. Oh, and all that good stuff, so that's going to be it. Oh, carry y'all around to the passenger side and show you how I fixed that one without buying the new part. So let's go for a ride. Whew. God, I love those wheels. Those of y'all that didn't know, y'all know I had the other Wrangler wheels. Let me get down here on these. I finally found me a set of these. These are another stock set of some Wrangler Sahara wheels. But notice the gray painted insert with a little thin black line, and the gray of my Jeep. Let's get her stand back. Whew, look at that. Almost a dang perfect match, ain't it? Anyway. Alright. It's dirty. Alright, anyway. We fixed the passenger side seat. I actually had that one done this way too. Went and got this body molding speed clip and that bolt, the screw in it. And if you guys remember, when we were over there on the other side, that piece that this hooked onto the top had a round hole in it. Well, I just simply pretty much kind of took my fingers, got a feel for where to drill my hole for this bolt, put this speed clip in that hole back there, and screwed that bolt in there. So, alright, well, that concludes this video of fixing your, I don't even know what the hell they call these things, outside, I think it's a outside seat covered trim panel or something like that. So that's how you can fix it with a new part, or you can fix it without a new part. So there you go. Hope it helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down twice, so that way I know you really didn't like it. Y'all have a good one. We out.